On your Kirby, you have this little switch right here. This is called your tilt latch switch, okay? So what you can do, for instance, say if you need to go up an embankment and go over something, what you can do is you can lock this in right here, push it all the way to your right side, and now you can lift the Kirby up and over something if you need to, okay? Now to go back to the neutral position, it won't go up. All the way to the right, it'll go up. Now for storing your Kirby, go all the way to the left, and now your Kirby becomes stowable. Okay, see that?